Hi, I'm Delilah Sarmiena,
And I'm Lirio Inostroza.
and this is our project.
Incendio.
Here's a question. Does adding different amounts of ash to paint enhance its ability to prevent or slow down fire?
Here's the research and the purpose for our project. It is a known fact for anyone who has gone camping in the past that adding wood ashes to fire, like a bonfire, will put it out. We are working off of this knowledge to help prevent future fire related accidents indoors. According to the NFPA, which is the National Fire Protection Association, house fires take an average of 2,620 lives per year, and they can cause over 11,000 fire related injuries. We believe that if our hypothesis is in fact correct, we can significantly lower these numbers and help save many lives.
Now on to the experiment. Here are the materials we used. To the right is a reference picture that you can look at as you follow along with the list. We used half and 1/4 cups of ash, 9 pieces of equal sized drywall, which was 9 by 9, white paint, which in this case we used premium latex paint, a paintbrush, a mixing container, a lighter, goggles, and paper and pen for documentation.
Alright, so here's our hypothesis. Paint with more ash in it will take longer to ignite and will burn out faster than paint with less ash in it.
Here's the procedure. Step 1. Paint 3 pieces of drywall with regular indoor paint. Step 2. Add 1/4 cup of ash to 1 cup of paint. Then paint 3 pieces with 1/4 ash paint. Step 4. Add 1 cup of ash to 2 cups of paint. Then paint 3 pieces with 1 cup ash paint. Then you will start a timer, set trial 1 of no ash drywall on fire. Record how long it took to ignite. Once ignited, record how long it takes the fire to go out by itself. Repeat the process with the remaining 8 drywall pieces, and record and compare all timing.
So here are steps 1 through 5, which was us pouring and mixing the ash into the paint and then painting our drywall.
Here are steps 6 through 9, where we light the drywall, see how long it is on fire for, and then we see the results and how much area it burned.
Alright, so here are results from the no ash trials. Trial number 1, time to ignite was around 10 seconds. Time to go out was about 35 and 37 seconds, 0.37 seconds. Time to ignite for trial number 2 was 12 seconds, and the time to go out was 43.36 seconds. Trial number 3, time to ignite was 16 seconds, and time to go out was 38.21 seconds. The average of all of that was around 12.6 seconds to ignite and 38.98 seconds to go out. Here is the amount of area that the no ash paint was burnt.
Results for 1/4 cup of ash. Trial number 1, time to ignite 23 seconds, time to go out 1 minute 26.78 seconds. Trial number 2, to ignite 21 seconds, to go out 1 minute 22.61 seconds. Time to ignite 20 for trial 3, 25 seconds, and to go out 58.32 seconds. Average of all, time to ignite 23 seconds, time to go out 1 minute 3 seconds and 24 milliseconds. As you can see here, it got smaller, this area that was burnt off, because we used more ashes.
Here's our results for the 1 cup of ash. Trial number 1, time to ignite was around 17 seconds, to go out was 56.94 seconds. Trial number 2, to ignite 20 seconds, to go out 58.63 seconds. Trial number 3, to ignite 28 seconds, and to go out 49.30 seconds. The average of all of that was 21.67 seconds to ignite and 54.96 seconds to go out. As you can tell, the area burnt was the smallest out of the three. Our guess is because of the amount of ash that we used.
Here's the experiment data, and this is based on the average of all the trials. Now here, the lower line, the light blue line, is the time to ignite. The dark blue line, the higher line, is the time to burn out. Now as you can see, the no ash has lower than all three. 1/4 cups of ash has the highest. Here you can see the difference, the vast difference in the size of area burnt based on how much ash.
Alright, so here's our conclusion. Based on our observations, if there is less ash, it will ignite easier and burn more area, but it will also go out faster. If there is more ash, it will be more difficult to ignite and it will burn less area, but it will also take longer to go out by itself. Our hypothesis was partially correct. Paint with more ash in it did take longer to ignite, but it also took longer to burn out.
And that is all for our science project this year. Thank you for your time, and
Bye!
bye.